HAARP uses 1 billion watts, beamed straight into the ionosphere for experiments. HAARP. Picture these strings. HAARP. On the piano has HAARP. Layers of the earth. HAARP. Each one has its own frequency. HAARP. What we used to do is beam radio waves into the ground. And it would vibrate any strings that were present in the ground. We might get a sound back like, and we'd say, that's natural gas. We might get a sound back like, and we say that's crude oil. We were able to identify each frequency. We accomplished this with just 30 watts of radio power. If you do this with 1 billion watts, the vibrations are so violent that the entire piano would shake. In fact, the whole house would shake. In fact, the vibrations could be so severe underground, it could even cause an earthquake.